If you're dealing with hard water deposits in your laundry, you want to get this by Rockin Green. This is their hard rock detergent, laundry detergent. This is unscented. It's 1 scoop if you have a front loader and 2 scoops for top loader washing machine. So you just put your clothes in, and again, this is only if you have hard water deposits. If you don't have that, don't use this. You might mess it up, but if you do, they have another another package that's for like regular water. So anyway, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's for up to 90 loads. And let me show you. It comes with a little scooper. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let me get a little closer. There you go. So look, that's the powder. It just looks like regular laundry detergent powder. There you go. You can get a little closer. You can see it. So it has this little scooper. So it comes with everything you need. Doesn't have a scent. And honestly, it smells a little bit like a pool, a little bit. But that's just me. So anyway, this is the packaging. In the back, it shows you how to use it and all of that. So I'm not going to bore you with all of that. It's there on the back. So hopefully this will help you out. Again, it is SLS free, not tested on animals, and it's safe for sensitive skin. So you want to check it out again by Hard Rock, Rockin Green Laundry Detergent.